Hello guys, so welcome back to our PowerShell learning series. So this is the day 2 and today we'll learn some basic but very powerful concept. So in day 2 we will talk about the PowerShell command, variables and data types. So let's get started our session without any further delay. So next I'll be talking about, so first we need to know what is commandlet. So what do you mean by commandlet in PowerShell? Okay, right. So in PowerShell command, actually all kind of PowerShell command are called the commandlet. This is basically a verb noun format. Let's see some example. First I want to write here about the commandlet. So commandlet basically what? Basically, one second. Basically, PowerShell command that written in verb noun format. Okay, verb noun format. So let's see some example about the commandlet. So as I have already told and earlier say about some basic command like get help, get process, get service, these are called commandlet in PowerShell. So one is get help, another one is, I will talk about each and every individual commandlet later. Okay, get process and another one is get service. These are some basic commandlet in PowerShell. So whenever we are trying to uh, fetch some details or help kind of help we needed while performing some task, okay, uh, then using get help command we easily find out any kind of uh, uh, what we can say commandlet or the respective documents or comments. Like using get help command, it show or it help anything or everything, sorry, not anything, everything in PowerShell. Okay, everything in PowerShell means it show help about any comment. Okay, like PowerShell.exe, like we need to check about get help. Okay, like get help, then get process. So we need to write here like this and we will get all the corresponding syntax, how we'll write it and what are the outcomes. All those things are easily visible in our environment, that is called the PowerShell environment. So using get help command, it help us about any comment. Like we need to fetch some importance parameter or data regarding get process, then you can write it like this: get help then get process. Okay, so get process actually list all the running processes. Get process basically uses for running list all running processes. I can show you like this list of running processes. Get process. Great process. So you can see these are some processes already running in our environment or in our local host. So these are the running processes already. Okay, and using the get service command using get service command, we can easily find out or checking all type of services. Okay, so let's see what happened after writing get service command. So using get service command, we can see there are lots of services are present in our environment or it is already running, and some of the services reporting some error, some of the services are properly working. Like you can see lots of services are available. One this is the workstation services. This is for TCP/IP net bias helper. These services basically using for security account manager. These services basically using for internet connect sharing purpose. These services basically help us to check different kind of Wi-Fi error. Like, okay, I can show you. Wait a minute. This is something related to our virtual machine. So all these things are basically uses for the services what are currently running, okay, on your system. These are some basic command we generally used in PowerShell. Get process basically used for list all services on your system. Okay, so now I am talking about how to use the help command, right? How to use the help command. So you can use the help command or help system to learn any command. So like get help, get process. To get some examples like get help, get process. Okay, so these are some basic command. Using this command we can easily find out our local host running processes, what kind of services run on your system. These are the basic things. Okay, now we're talking about the next part. So we're talking about the get AD user. So till now I am talking about the commandlet is a PowerShell command with a predefined function is already available, like get help, get process, get services, and similar to it is just like a operator in our programming language. So here are some key things to know about the commandlet. So there are system, user, and custom commandlet. These are some system, user, and custom commandlet. Commandlets output result as an object, or we can say as an array of object. And commandlets in PowerShell, commandlets basically can get data from the analysis purpose or transfer data to another commandlet using the pips. Though I will discuss later what is the pip and what is called the pipelining, or more in details. Okay, so commandlet actually case sensitive. For example, if it doesn't matter whenever you get AD user or get AD user, or get add user, like this. I can show you get add user. Okay, and for an example, if we write it like this, get add user. Okay, get add user, like this. Also we got some error, get add user, got some error, right? So if you want to use several cmdlet and it does not match with the correct phase, then you will get some error like this. Okay, so if you want to uses different kind of cmdlet in one string, or you must separate them with a semicolon, otherwise it will causes some error or it will get some error. Okay, like this. So these are some basic tips regarding the day 2 session. Always remember while writing any command in PowerShell window. Okay, and another one, always a cmdlet always consists of some verb, as we can see, and verb means a word that function as a verb, like a get, like a process, like services, and a noun is present, right? So separated within a some hyphen, like get is means some verb, and help, process, services is called like a noun. For an example, get means ki, get means to get something, right? What do you mean by set? Set means to define something. Start means to run something. Stop means to stop something that is already running in our environment. Out means to output something. Or okay, and new means to create something. These are some points you have to remember while working with the PowerShell command line interface. So get means to get something, right here. So get means to get something. Okay, set means to define something. Start means to start something, to run something. If you stop means to stop something, or to stop something that is already running. Stop means to stop something that is already running. Okay, and new means to create something, to create a new account, to create a new documents or folder. Okay, to create a new something. It may be a folder, it may be a file, it may be a user. Okay, so that time we use the new cmdlet. So basically, as you can see, wait a minute, using the get process, right? Using get service, or using get process, using get process command, it show the processes currently running on your computer, like admin service, like Chrome already running in our environment. Okay, application frame host, lots of services or processes already running in our machine. So using get process, it shows the process currently running on your computer. And using the get service command, okay, using the get service command, it show list of services with their status, right? As you can see, this is the some status here, and name of the services and the display name. So as you can see, some of the services stop, and some of the services running. So you can easily find out what kind of services currently running and what kind of services currently not running. According to that, we need to take action on it, okay, based on the criteria, based on the predefined rules. So these are some important things. And using the get content, you can, it will show the content of the file you specify. Like, I can show you one more thing, it is very interesting. Like like get content, right? Get content, get slash content. Right now I am pasting here some path like this, okay. Sorry. Get, sorry, get content, then paste the path name, like this, the path name, right? Like path name. Open board. Some path name. I think it will be work from administrator window. Let me check one more time. It's run as administrator. Get content. Sorry guys. Get just a minute. Get content, paste. Get content, why it is not running? Why it is not running? I will check later, okay. It is showing some error. I don't know why it is happening, and let me check later. Now we will be talking about get help category. Good news for guys, using the get help category, you do not need memorize the all kind of commandlets, okay, while working. So you can list all the commandlet by executing this command. What command? Get. If you don't remember all this command, then this command really help you to get different kind of command which are required for your purpose. Sorry, wait a minute. Using get help category, okay, category. Get help, sorry, sorry, get help slash category. I don't know why it is not working. This get help. Not working. Not working. Okay. I will show you later these two comment. Okay, just to remember. So using this comment get help category, uh, you can easily find out the all listed commandlet. Okay, by executing this command, and no need to remember all those commandlet. So which will return the following details. I will show you the next session. So you can also create your own custom commandlet. Okay. So each commandlet has several parameters like that customize what it does. The PowerShell ISE will automatically suggest all valid parameters and their types after you type a commandlet and a hyphen, like this. I can show you these things also. PowerShell ISE, right? PowerShell ISE. Please wait for opening this window. Let me share my screen like this, like get slash service. As you can see, get service, and automatically it suggested all basically it suggested different kind of valid parameters and their types after you type a commandlet and a hyphen, like service, and if you paste a hyphen, then automatically it show different kind of valid parameter already present in directories and their types after you type like this. Okay, these are some important techniques you need to know while you work create some own PowerShell script. Okay, for an example, the following commandlet show all the services whose names start with get service. Okay, name, computer name, dependent service, like that. If you write get service name, any name, okay, name, and then put here sorry, computer name, not computer name, and then put here like W. Okay, then it automatically show all the services related to W word, like TRK, WKS, W32 टाइम. ठीक है, ठीक है. ये सारा कुछ क्या है, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ तुम्हारा सर्विसेज है जो तुमको ये लिखने के बाद मिल जाएगा. ओके, क्लियर? ओके, नेक्स्ट. if you basically forget all commandlet parameters, just use one script I would suggested you, which will display the parameter for the grid process model. Like if you not remember all those parameter, all those things which you learn during this session, then using get process commandlet you can easily get all those parameter, all those details. Okay, no need to worry. So write it like get process, then separate by like this, and then just type get member, as you can see. Okay, and then click on the run button. This run button. No, sorry. Run button like get member, get process. You can write it here like this and then paste. You can see the details, right? If you still don't find any commandlet you need, you can make sure the help is current and then get example for a commandlet like get process using a script like get process, then get member, get services. There are the different things. Okay, so just a second. Just a second. So these are some important rules, parameter. Okay, so that's it for today lecture. In day 3 we will explore the data types, how two string are combined using or double quotes. Okay, uh, there also we will share I will share you with some quick tips regarding data types in PowerShell. Okay, and also we'll cover different kind of conditional statement, operators. Okay, so don't forget to practice and subscribe for more videos. So thank you guys, have a nice day. So and शुभ नववर्ष सकल के. सो टाटा बाय बाय, फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तो तब तक ये सारा कुछ देखना. ओके, कोई भी कुछ भी डाउट हो तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बोलना कि क्या डाउट है क्या नहीं है. ठीक है, PowerShell रिगार्डिंग एक एक करके वीडियो डालूंगा मैं, और ईच एंड एवरी वीडियो प्रॉपरली देखने के बाद आई थिंक तुम्हारा कोई भी इशू नहीं होगा जब तुम PowerShell के ऊपर कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहे हो. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि अभी सारा कंपनी ऑटोमेशन में जा रहा है, राइट. सो यू हैव टू know about the basic things related to PowerShell, related to any kind of automated scripting tool. So इसलिए मैंने ये वीडियो क्रिएट करना स्टार्ट किया तुम लोगों के लिए जो अभी डिप्लोमा में हो, जो अभी बीटेक में हो. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जो भी काम आज हो रहा है वो सारा कुछ अपकमिंग 1-2 ईयर्स में ऑटोमेटेड हो जाएंगे. तो तब ये PowerShell स्क्रिप्ट और बैश कमेंट ये सारा कुछ चलेगा. तो ये सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है तुम लोगों के लिए, इसलिए मैंने वीडियो बनाना स्टार्ट किया. तो आई थिंक तुम लोगों को ये अच्छा लग रहा है, तो रिस्पांस भी अच्छा है. मैंने देखा कि एक दिन में बहुत सारे लोगों ने तुमने देखा ये वीडियो. तो मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि हर एक दिन में एक एक करके और ऑल्टरनेटिव डे में एक एक करके वीडियो डालने के लिए. तो ये सारा कुछ वीडियो तुम्हारे लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, अपकमिंग फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो देखते रहो, इजी टू लर्निंग चैनल को फॉलो करो, क्योंकि इधर जो भी टीचर ईच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट CST के लिए लेता है वो एक्सपर्ट है. ठीक है, हर एक टीचर एक एक डोमेन पे एक्सपर्ट है. आप पकड़ के चलो कि आपको मशीन लर्निंग सीखना है तो सुदीप सर से सीखो. ठीक है, आपको मशीन लर्निंग में प्रैक्टिकल के भी और डेटा एनालिटिक्स, डेटा साइंस इंजीनियर में आपको कुछ करना है तो आप फॉलो कर सकते हो अरिजीत सर को. आप फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड में जाना चाहते हो तो आपको आप फॉलो करो इजीली कृष्ण सर को, ठीक है, हर एक टीचर। और साइबर सिक्योरिटी और ऑटोमेशन रिगार्डिंग कुछ भी सीखना है तो आप मेरे से सीख सकते हो। तो ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो तुमको कॉम्पैक्ट CST के लिए एक नॉलेज, एक प्रैक्टिकल इन्वायरमेंट, प्रैक्टिकल जो भी बोल सकते हो वो देंगे। तो इसलिए इजी टू लर्निंग वन ऑफ द बेस्ट CST तुम्हारा कोचिंग सेंटर है, ये मैं मानता हूँ और 100% मानता हूँ, क्योंकि इधर हर एक टीचर बहुत बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहा है तुम लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि अपकमिंग डेज बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है, क्योंकि सारा कुछ ऑटोमेशन में जा रहा है, AI आ गया अभी, राइट। तो इसलिए तुमको ये नॉलेज अभी से सीखना है, क्योंकि तुमको बहुत अच्छा एक कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर बनना है। तो इसलिए ये वीडियो को फॉलो करो, रेगुलर बेसिस में प्रैक्टिस करो, कुछ नहीं लगेगा भाई। तुम्हारा विंडोज 10 विंडोज 11 है तो तुम्हारा ऑलरेडी विंडोज 10 विंडोज 11 में ही पावरसेल है। जस्ट जाओ, ये बेसिक कमेंट ट्राई करो और बोलो उसमें क्या क्या दिखने को मिल रहा है। और कोई भी दिक्कत हो तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बोलना, मैं डेफिनेटली रिप्लाई कर दूंगा विद इन 24 आवर्स। सो थैंक यू गाइस, चलो बाय बाय, टेक केयर। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं बोलूँगा, क्या बोलूँगा, मैं डेटा टाइप्स के बारे में मैं सारा कुछ डिस्कस करूँगा। और क्या है, और है ऑपरेटर, जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है पावरसेल में, ठीक है। तो बाय बाय, टेक केयर गाइस। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ज़रूर देखना कि क्या होता है डेटा टाइप्स और ऑपरेटर। तो थैंक यू, बाय बाय।